How to manage install events notifications on Xbox Mobile. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off or on install events notifications on Xbox Mobile. First thing, go to Xbox and then click here on your profile here, and then click this one, this icon, and now click this one here, notifications, and then click this one here, install events. Just click on it, and as you see, install events has been turned off. And if you want to turn it on again, just click on it. And as you see, that's how manage install events notifications on Xbox Mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.